He got on stage and he started talking, he started teaching, and he grabbed these big old markers and he had these huge fat markers and he'd pull them out and he'd talk, he'd like, and he'd like draw these things, and it looked so tough and so cool. And I was like, oh, like someday when I speak, I want to look like that. I want to like feel awesome. So I remember a couple years later, the first time I was like speaking about an event. I remember the first thing I did is I ordered a whiteboard. The problem is the whiteboard came, there's one of those ones like that are up and down. Have you guys seen those? And so I remember getting on there and I started trying to write, and I was like, I write here and then I ran out of space. I tried to write again, I was like, this is not the right thing. I gotta figure out a different, like, I need a big whiteboard I can draw. And so I started looking around, and finally I found this company out in the UK. They make these keyboards, and they're ordering a keyboard, show our office. I was like, oh, finally, I like feel bad like Tony Robbins was writing a board. So remember, I was the very first live event, streaming, I was talking to a bunch of people virtually, and I go grab my marker, I pull this marker, and I said, and then we're drawing on the board, I was like, and then we're doing it, I was like, I feel so wimpy. I want to like Tony, I kind of want to feel like Tony Robbins sometimes. Yeah, it's so bad. Like, we need bigger markers. Like, take it out and they finish down. These other markers are a little bit bigger. It's like little, the ones that you draw on, like whiteboard stuff, right? So I remember it's like a little bit tougher, but still not like